Allez, maintenant. Allez.
La tâche.
One knock at the door and then we both know how the story ends. You can't win if your white flag's out when the war begins. Aiming so high but swinging so low, trying to catch fire but feeling so cold. Hold it inside and hope it won't show. I'm saying it's not, but inside I know today's gonna be the day you notice. Cause I'm tired of explaining what the joke is.
This is what you asked for. Heavy is the crowd. Fire in the sunrise. Ashes raining down. Try to hold it in, but it keeps bleeding out. This is what you asked for. Heavy is the crowd.
Turn to run, now look what it's become. Outnumbered 10 to 1. Back then should've bit your tongue, cause there's no turning back. This path once it's begun, you're already on that list. Say you don't want what you can't resist. Waving that sword when the pen won't miss. Watch it all falling apart like this.
This is what you asked for. Heavy is the crowd. Fire in the sunrise. Ashes raining down. Try to hold it in, but it keeps bleeding out. This is what you asked for. Heavy is the crowd.
Yes, gros, bien. Bien, impeccable. Bien joué ça, bien joué.
Le sac.
Ouais.
Yo, I don't care if you a thug or not. You ever fought a juggernaut? Force travel faster than the speed that a sluggish shot. And fuck a one-on-one. Bring on 4 of y'all. Cripple and torture you like a Klingon warrior or a Romulan. Rob you with the mask of a hobgoblin. Boggling brains out in the range with the gas throttling. Your bitch pussy throbbing, don't bobbing. No oxygen, the bottle and blood of a model. And sip it like Scottish gin. You bitches always in clubs, I can't feel you. I hate clubs more than baby seals do. Your man raps, he's an amateur rockin' and stays pushing the bucket like a janitor mopping. I got a toxic gas canister popping and fans hopping out the windows of shows like death is the only option. Y'all don't want us to quietly observe this comic book nerd who got a loaded Mossberg. When I stepped on stage, they stood still. The sun god, I'm in ride, no chill. The dopest rhymes you ever heard in your life. So if you ever see me drop the mic, tell your boy to pick it up, 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 pick it up. Tell your boy to pick it up, 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 pick it up.
Let's go!
Waiting for the break of day, searching for something to say, flashing lights against the sky, giving up, I close my eyes, sitting cross-legged on the floor. 25 or 6 to 4. Staring blindly into space, getting up to splash my face, wanting just to stay away, wondering how much I can take. Should I try to do some more? 25 or 6 to 4.
Oui! Let's go! Let's go, j'aurai une grenouille dans mon clip.
Ouest, on est là, on a la baraka, même sortie des favelas qui peut nous arrêter, fada. Les HLM sont trop déterminés, trop déterminés. En tête à queue, je me gare sur l'instru. En plaque 13 entre deux Lexus. Ne paniquez pas pour votre rap game. Je joue pas avec vous, laisse les clashs pour Eminem. What's my motherfucking name? A-L-O-N, l'enfant du bloc au poulet. Je fais rapper la guitare de Kurt Cobain. Faut convertir la haine en amour, HLM. On y gagnera au change, on récolte ce qu'on. C'est une mentalité western en plein après-midi. Ça tire en plein carême, faut que ça cesse, écoutons la den. Même si le diable met des survêtements croco qui traînent dans nos bars, faut pas le confondre, sinon ça fait bang.
c'est fat.
Tu peux le faire. Allez, fais-le. Fais-le maintenant. Allez, Sam. Allez, tu respires une fois, tu vas. Allez. Allez. Yes. Bien. Allez, Sam.
Allez, tu respires une fois, tu vas. Allez.
Allez. Yes. Yes.
Et on a droit à un side. Hein, Samy? On a droit à un side.
On a réussi.
Vas-y, à toi. Allez Théo, on croit ça. Toi, viens-toi. Attends. Dépêche-toi, connard. On se sauve.